Hello, you're welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 7. This is revised edition. In this video, we want to use multi-base blocks to model large numbers up to even 1 billion. But for this very example, we are going to deal with up to 1 million. And this lesson can be found in page 4 of your textbook. Now, this is what we call multi-base block. Okay, and in this very example or this very video, we are going to keep this cube as 100. We are going to model this cube as 100. And then if we have 100, 100, 100, okay, up to 10, like this is 100, okay, this is our 100, another 100, another 100, up to 10 will give us 1,000. Okay, now when we position this horizontally or maybe still vertical, and we have another 1,000, 1,000 up to 10 also give us 10,000. Then we have this flat, okay, one flat is here, okay, and another flat also comes as 10. Then we can have 100,000. So we have the cube, we have the long, we have the flat, and we have the block. So 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Now let's use it to answer this question. The building of a community market requires 732,400 cement blocks to complete the first phase. Model the total number of blocks using multi-base block. And so first of all, we need to understand that if we have 732,000, then that means we have 700,000, okay? Then we also have 32,000 means that we have 30,000, and then 2,000, and then we have 400. So all this put together will give us 732,400. And so it means that we need, starting from the left, we need to have 7 of the 100,000 blocks. Okay, so that will give us 700,000 because we said that every block here is 100,000. So we have 700,000 blocks. Then we need 30,000 flats, and we know that each flat is supposed to be 10,000. So 10 plus 10,000 plus 10 will give us 30,000. 3 of them 30,000. Then we need the longs, 2,000, because we said each one is 1,000. So we need 2 of them to give us 2,000. Then finally, we said one of this is supposed to be 100. So since we need 400, we get 4 of them. So when we put together, then we can have our figure 732,400. Sorry, 400. So that becomes the modeling of the figure 732,400. Now let's take another example. This time around, let's have the question this way. Total number of blocks needed to complete a community library is modeled below. Now they model it for us. Determine the total number of blocks needed for the project. So the total number of blocks needed for the project has been modeled in this particular figure. Knowing this as our 100,000, how many of them do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we have 800,000 because each one's supposed to be 100,000. We know this one to be 10,000, right? And we have how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means we have 50,000 because they're supposed to be 10,000 each. Then this one gives us 1,000, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1,000, and we have 6 of them, so we're going to get 6,000. And then finally we have 100. So 100, 100, making 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will give us 800. Now when we put all together, we are going to get our answer to be 856,000. That is 800,000, 50,000, 6,000. So 856,800. This will be the number of blocks needed to build the community library. This is how we use models to write huge numbers. Thanks so much for watching.